Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Got a pretty fun one today with some fun little products to show you. So this first one is a beautiful nail UV lamp. It is a 40-watt lamp. Beautiful lamp. I've got part of it blurred out because it's so reflective you can see me, and I'm not having that. So it's got the 10, 30, and 60-second timers. It is motion censored. A super powerful magnetic base, which I love because my old lamp was falling off all the time. And then inside here, this is like a little fan that turns on when you're using the lamp, which keeps heat spikes down. It's incredible and I love it. So this is a Christmas lamp. So it comes with a gift wrapping on it and this little Christmas card and then these super cute little Christmas nail stickers. I think it's so cute and it's the perfect Christmas present. It also comes with 10 tips, but they all are different sizes, so I would recommend using them more for nail art than on yourself. So this is the wrapping that it comes with. How pretty is that? I love it. And back to the specs of the lamp. So it comes with a standard size plug, which to me is incredible because the regular lamps or most lamps come with a big bulky plug that takes up the whole outlet, and that's so frustrating. But it comes with a small plug because it's got a battery pack farther up, so it doesn't need the huge plug. And then I'm just showing you here how the light is red when the lamp is on, and then it's green when it's actually running. So this is the Amazon listing, and of course it will be linked in the description box below, but I'm showing you this because right now it is $29.99, but I spoke with the seller and they said that they are going to be giving 20% off for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so I would highly recommend getting it then because that's a great deal, especially for such a great lamp. Okay, moving on. My next item that I wanted to show you guys is this brand new gel kit. It is by the brand MEFA, and it's a brand new brand to Amazon. I think it is underneath Model 1s because it was my Model 1's PR representative who reached out to send this to me. So I'm not sure if it's like a sub-brand. I don't know. But regardless, this is the set. I think it's beautiful, and if it looks familiar to you, it is basically the same set as the Beetles Perfect 20. So these bottles are 8 milliliters, which are smaller than the Beetles brand, but that's okay. And then on the back, it says MEFA Gel Nail Polish applies like polish, cures in a UV LED lamp for 30 seconds or 2 minutes, and stays on the nails for up to 21 days. So awesome, that's great. So these are smaller bottles than the Beetles set, but as you will see, there is a lot of colors in here I like more than the Beetles set. No shade to Beetles because, you know, I love that brand, guys, but this set, I would get this one over the Perfect 20 for sure, particularly for the matte top coat, and I'll show you that here in a bit because it's freaking amazing, okay? But oh my gosh, guys, look at these colors! I love them. They're so pretty. And this pinky orange and then this bright reddish orange. It's like neon. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. It's so pretty. So here I kind of fudged, a little embarrassed about my fudge here. I applied it too thick and it wrinkled. Wah, wah, wah. So yeah, it wrinkled in the lamp. So just make sure when you're applying these guys that you're doing it super thinly and do 2 layers, and that way you get the full coverage and no wrinkling. Before I jump off here and let you enjoy these beautiful swatches, this color, it is gorgeous. Look at this, it's like a jelly color, and the Beetles set does have it as well, but I think they did it a little better in this set. Sorry. This yellow is also kind of jelly-ish on first coat, and the green, and then the next color, which is purple, they all have like that clear base that gives them a jelly look when you only do one coat instead of two. The yellow I applied a little thick, and it was kind of hard to see that jelly type look or the clear base in it, so I just took some of that off. So how pretty are those, guys? So pretty, so pretty. I love them. Sorry, I'm feeling a little weird today. I'm just like hyper, I guess, so I'm being a little silly, sorry. But basically also after I do each row of color, I just flash cure it for 10 seconds, so that way I don't have to worry about it like getting all over me when I'm holding the wheel. And this silver is like holographic bits in it. So pretty. The Beatles one is just silver, so it's nice to have a little holographic in there. I love it. And this one is kind of like a sky blue. So pretty. The only color I did not like out of this set was this black, because you guys will see here, it is pretty sheer and it's pretty patchy. So I really like the smoothness of these colors. I like that they're super creamy, yet thin. They're not super thick, like some of the other affordable brands that I've used. So they're beautiful and I love it, but that black was just a bit patchy and sheer. Even at 2 coats, you could still see a bit of patchiness. So I don't know, it's not my favorite, but I like everything else, so whatever. It's worth it. For out of having 20 colors, getting one that you don't like, I'd say that's a win. What do you guys think? And then I'm going to do these swatches the same as I do all of my swatches. I'm going to do a second coat just on that second half of the nail, so you can see what the color looks like with 1 coat and 2 coats. And then once I'm done and that has been fully cured, I will go in and do a matte top coat on half and a glossy top coat on half. So I'm just going to shut up now and let you guys watch the rest of these beautiful swatches, and I will be back here shortly.
Like a bellhop, yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards?
Okay, this gold, I forgot to say something before because I was talking about the holographic silver, but this gold, holy cow, guys, it's beautiful. Like, it's a super fine glitter, and it's like a yellow gold, but it has some like champagne in it. Oh my gosh, I love this color, guys. It's so pretty. Okay, so now that I've gotten both coats on all of the nails, I'm just going to use a lint-free nail wipe with some rubbing alcohol and clean off the inhibition layer, the sticky layer from the nails. So these polishes definitely do have a bit of an inhibition layer, and I'm wiping it off rather than going straight to top coat, because sometimes if you use a matte top coat first without wiping it off, it will kind of mix together and it'll impede the true look of the matte. So I wanted to get the true look of the matte and see what it really was. So I just made sure to wipe that off first. And I wanted to show you guys the beautiful colors all over my wipe. No, really, I did that just so that you're aware. Don't touch the inhibition layer on these before wiping them off, because you'll get colors on you. So that's no fun. Anyways, okay, so now I'm just going in with the matte top coat, and I am going to apply that to the left side of all of these nails. You'll see here after the red that when I come back to apply on the brown, these first nails that I've put the matte top coat on, they already look matte, and that's because I flash cured them for 10 seconds before moving on, so that once again, they don't, you know, rub all over me when I'm turning the wheel around.
By myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight.
Okay guys, so look at this mat. This mat is so freaking matte, guys. Oh my gosh, it's like a velvet mat. I have never found a velvet mat from an affordable brand. So I am going to show you that on one of my own nails here in a moment after I top coat the other side with a glossy top coat on these nails. But that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just doing the glossy top coat on these so that you can see the difference. So basically, let me just tell you, like I said, I've never found an affordable brand to have a velvet matte top coat. And so MEFA, this brand, they had reached out to me after I placed my Amazon order and received the product to ask me how I liked the product and if there was anything I could improve upon. And the one thing I told them was make a bigger bottle of this matte top coat because it is awesome. Like, it's my favorite. Beetle's matte top coat was my favorite. You guys know that. This is my favorite now. And unfortunately, okay, sorry, I had to leave that little bottle spill in there for you because how many times have y'all done that? But anyway, so unfortunately, I'm going to run out of my matte top coat from this set really fast because they don't have any big bottles, which is so sad. But they said it doesn't make sense for them to have a big bottle right now since this just goes with the kit and it's the same size as the colors in the kit. So sad tear, makes my heart break, but I'll use it sparingly. I'll only use it, you know, kind of where needed. And the one that is the most like this one, I would say, is Model 1's. They're more in between a matte and a velvet matte, but this is like a true velvet matte, guys. It's got like a rubbery feel. It does not reflect light back at all. Like, can you see in these swatches here that there is no light bouncing back? There is nothing. Like, these are super matte. And I'm wondering if it's going to get really kind of dirty and attract dirt the way that a regular velvet matte does. I will update you guys and let you know as soon as I know. But basically, I had to test this out on my own nail because why wouldn't I? I had matte nails on this set and I wanted to see what the real tea was. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see if it stays real matte for a real long time or if the matte goes away. So I'm just feeling it here because I'm obsessed with the way this feels. It feels rubbery. It feels so different than my other matte. So the pinky candy cane nail that I'm showing you here has the Beetle's matte top coat on it. And if you can see, there is a bit of light reflecting back at me. But on this elf nail, there is none. Like, it absorbs all the light, guys. It's amazing, and I love it. That is it, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you're going to pick up the kit. Of course, if you have any questions, suggestions, or requests for different sets, let me know. I love to hear from you. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!